Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Begin by establishing legal foundations for PHI handling in Google Workspace. Sign a business associate agreement with Google before storing any PHI. Adopt written Hipaa policies and procedures that define permitted access and safeguards. Keep documentation of policies, training, risk assessments, and breach responses for 6 years to meet Hipaa record retention. Designate a Hipaa privacy and security officer who will own compliance tasks and reporting. Ensure leadership understands obligations and budgets for security controls and training. Configure Google Workspace technical safeguards to protect PHI and control access. Enable multi-factor authentication for all accounts and require strong passwords for every user. Enforce least privilege by using organizational units, groups, and role-based access controls. Activate audit logging and retention to capture access and changes to PHI for investigations. Implement data loss prevention rules, content scanning, and alerting to block PHI leaks. Ensure encryption is enabled in transit using TLS and at rest according to available workspace settings. Maintain administrative controls, training, and incident response practices for sustained compliance. Conduct a formal risk assessment at least annually and after significant system or workflow changes. Train all workforce members annually on Hipaa requirements, phishing avoidance, and secure PHI handling procedures. Implement role-based access reviews and revoke accounts promptly when roles change. Create and test a breach response plan that defines notification timelines, documentation practices, and corrective actions. Schedule periodic audits to verify controls and update policies as risks evolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.